I have traveled to 6 European countries with only one train ticket. But how? This one is like Willy Wonka's golden ticket, but for traveling the world. And it's called Eurail. In this video, I'm going to share my experience of using Eurail and all the information that I wish I had when I was planning my trip with this pass. My name is Ari, and I'm on a mission to help you travel the world easily. If you're interested, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. So what's Eurail? It's a train pass that allows you to travel through 33 European countries, including France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and many more. With Eurail, you can explore the continent at your own pace, planning your trips flexibly and comfortably without worrying about the high prices of the tickets. You might have also heard about Interail. So what's the difference? The pricing for both Eurail and Interail passes is identical. The only difference is that Interail is for those who are from Europe and Eurail is for everyone international. So there are two kinds of Eurail. You can travel with the Global Pass internationally or pick one of the Eurail One Country passes. Global Pass allows unlimited travel within a certain number of days, and it's incredibly convenient. You don't have to worry about booking tickets or dealing with complicated schedules. One pass can include multiple travel dates like 4, 5, 7, 10, or 15. The price also changes depending on how many travel days you want to buy. What is the travel day, you may ask? The number of days that you choose for your ticket equals number of days when you can use the railway system. You can use them in a row or within the specific period of time indicated in your Eurail. For example, I bought 5 travel days with Eurail that were available during 1 month's period. Besides, when you activate a travel day, you can take all the trains you want within a 24-hour period. You can travel to 15 cities in a day, but make sure to be realistic. My maximum was 3 cities in a day, and I don't want to lie and say that I wasn't exhausted. There's one important thing about night trains that you have to know. When traveling on a night train that leaves on one day and arrives the next day without changing trains after midnight, you only have to spend one travel day, the day of departure. But if you do change trains after midnight, you have to spend 2 travel days. Now it's time for my favorite part, prices. The price range is from 199 to 388 euros and varies depending on the number of days, the number of countries, and the class of travel, like first class or second class. For example, a 15-day global pass for second-class travel starts at around $400, while a 15-day select pass for 3 countries starts at around $300. Prices can vary depending on the season and the age of a traveler, with discounts available for children, youth, and seniors. In my case, 5 travel days within 1 month cost me 263 euros, which is a great deal. And also, I had a special youth rate, which includes people from 12 to 27 years old. And actually, spring is a perfect time to buy your Eurail Pass with a great discount. For instance, now my ticket costs 224 euros. Did I already mention flexibility? Even though I prefer to stick to the traveling plan, you will never know if something can go wrong, like trains going behind the schedule or other circumstances that you cannot predict. That happened to me when I arrived in Prague and my train to Zurich was 40 minutes late. I could not afford that big of a late arrival because I had the other train from Zurich the next morning. So I just opened my Eurail app and checked all of the available trains and routes that can take me to my point B as soon as possible. In other words, you can reschedule and replan and rebook any tickets without losing money. Another thing to consider is that Eurail passes are valid for travel on both high-speed and regional trains. This means you can travel at a faster pace between major cities and then switch to regional trains to explore smaller towns and villages. One of the best things about Eurail is that it's not just for backpackers and budget travelers. It is a great option for families, couples, and even business travelers. And some passes even include travel on night trains, which can save you money on accommodation. When planning your Eurail trip, it's important to remember that some trains require reservations. For some high-speed trains and overnight trains, reservations are mandatory. Always check if it says that reservation is required, because they won't let you on the train without confirmation. On my way to Paris from Barcelona, I was super disappointed that I had to spend extra 41 euros on my seat. There were no other convenient options apart from that one, so I had no choice. Despite being one of the best options for traveling around Europe, Eurail has its disadvantages. Unfortunately, not all the tickets will be convenient. For instance, you can look up the train from Barcelona to Paris, select those which don't require reservation, and you'll see that the estimate time of your trip is going to be 18 hours, with long transfers during the night. Or you will have to book a seat, which sometimes can be equal to the price of the plane ticket. So plan wisely and carefully research if you don't want to break the bank and travel with comfort. My personal advice, never choose those options with multiple transfers or transfers at night. No, you won't take it easy, believe me. Finally, Eurail is not just about train travel. Many passes include bonuses like free entry to museums, discounts on hotels and attractions, and even free travel on ferries and buses. Like I mentioned in my previous video from Lucerne, I highly recommend you to watch it. I saved more than 50 euros on my ticket to Swiss Alps and cruise on the boat. That means you can get even more value for your money and make the most of your European adventure. So there you have it, a few more reasons why Interail is the ultimate way to travel across Europe. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and also follow me on social media. I would like to know if you ever used Interail, so let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.